Hi, I'm Tasha from One Big Happy Life on behalf of the Financial Diet, and this is the Lifestyle Fix brought to you by Skillshare. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing 7 makeup items you should always consider buying at the drugstore first before opting for higher priced luxury products. Now, as always, I have to note that these are not universal absolutes. They're guidelines that you can take into consideration as you make the best decision for you given your specific circumstances. Skincare and makeup are hugely personal decisions, and products that someone else loves may not be the best choice for you. You may have dry or oily or combination skin, be prone to acne, have rosacea, be sensitive to certain ingredients, or have allergies, and so on. Or you may have dark skin and have difficulty finding products that match your skin tone at the drugstore. On top of all of your skin's individual needs, there are also other criteria to take into consideration, like whether the product is cruelty-free, vegan, or vegan-friendly, or ethically sourced and made. Another thing to take into consideration is cost. If you're into skincare and makeup, chances are that you've felt the pull towards expensive named brand products. Maybe you've even found a couple of holy grail products that you swear by because of what they do for you. You should keep using the products that deliver the best results for you, so long as they also make sense for your personal finances. Less expensive skincare and makeup brands have come a long way in the last few years, so there are many great finds for you just waiting at your local drugstore. So what are the differences between drugstore and luxury skincare and makeup products? Sometimes it's the quality or concentration of the active ingredients, or the pigmentation, which also affects how well the products do what they claim to do or how much you need to apply to get the look you want. But sometimes you end up paying a premium, mostly for the beautiful packaging or the prestige of a name and company history. Today, I'm going to walk you through some personal lists of 7 skincare and makeup items you should always consider buying at the drugstore. Number 1, facial cleanser. With the increasing popularity of more intricate skincare routines, it's easy to get distracted with trying to figure out all the different products you should be using and what ingredients they should have and what order you should be using them in. But facial cleanser is as simple as it gets. You need something that'll get rid of the makeup, dirt, and dead skin cells on your face. Fortunately, there are many facial cleansers on the market, and whether you have dry, oily, combination, sensitive, or acne-prone skin, the odds are good that there's something that'll work for you at the drugstore. The cleanser you settle on should be gentle enough that it doesn't irritate your skin with daily use, and it also shouldn't clog your pores. You want to begin your facial routine with a clean slate, and a good drugstore facial cleanser is a great place to start. Number 2, toner. If toner is a regular part of your skincare routine, the good news is that drugstore brands have put a lot of effort into expanding their products. Most brands now offer alcohol-free toners or toners that are specifically designed to be gentle for people with sensitive skin. You can also find budget-friendly toners that target a variety of skincare concerns from acne to dryness. While there are many fantastic high-end toners, toners are not one of the steps in your skincare routine that you have to drop a lot of money on if you're looking for products to cut back on. And if you switch from disposable cotton rounds to reusable ones, you can also save even more money on this skincare step. Number 3, sunscreen. Sunscreen should be a part of your daily skincare routine, and that goes double since summer is on the way. It's your major defense against the damaging effects of UV radiation, which can increase your risk for skin cancer. Your moisturizers and foundations with SPF aren't enough on their own. You should be putting on sunscreen after you moisturize, but before your makeup if you wear it, to ensure that your face is protected. Luckily, you can find really good, reasonably priced sunscreens at any drugstore, which is great because you don't want to skimp on this essential skincare step. It may take a bit of experimentation to find a budget brand you like, but sunscreen is definitely one product you don't need to drop a lot of money on. Just make sure you use enough of it and apply it thoroughly on any exposed skin, and you should be good to go until it's time to reapply. Number 4, eyeliner and eyebrow pencils. Eyeliner is a great way to finish off your look and can turn a simple eyeshadow combination from something ordinary to something dramatic. Whether you prefer liquid, gel, cream, or pencil, eyeliner depends on the kind of look you're going for and how steady your hand is. But whatever your preference is, there are a number of great drugstore eyeliners that you should check out if you're looking for a more budget-friendly alternative to what you're currently using. Similarly, filling in your eyebrows doesn't need to cost you a fortune. Drugstore eyebrow pencils come in a wide variety of formulas, shapes, sizes, and colors, and they can complete your look for a fraction of the cost of designer brands. If you're paying more than you want to for your eyebrow pencils, I would recommend you do some research online for the best drugstore eyebrow pencils the next time you need to buy. You could end up finding a new favorite that'll suit your bank account better. Number 5, you all know that I swear by drugstore mascara. A good mascara is a great way to transform your makeup routine. And while mascara is certainly a product that you can splurge on if you wish, a lot of people find that they love the look of their lashes just as much with drugstore brands as more expensive options. One of the keys to finding a mascara you love is figuring out which mascara wand will work best for the results you want to achieve. There are all sorts of wand shapes for mascara, including tapered, hourglass, and corkscrew, and you can find just about any shape somewhere in the drugstore makeup aisles. If you haven't looked for a cheaper version of your favorite name brand mascara lately, you owe it to your wallet to at least check out what possibilities are at your local Walgreens. Number 6, tinted lip balm or lip gloss. When you want to add just a touch of color to your lips, tinted lip balm or lip gloss is the way to go. It's easy to reapply, and it isn't too noticeable if it ends up fading or transfers while you're going about your day. You shouldn't have any trouble finding a bunch of great tinted lip balm and lip gloss brands at your local drugstore. There are a number of reliable brands that truly deliver on the hydration, flirty colors, shimmer, and shine. If you want a low-maintenance lip color that won't drain your wallet, tinted lip balm and lip gloss from a drugstore are excellent choices. As an added bonus, your money will stretch further to cover more fun summer shades with the drugstore brands than if you went for high-end brands. Number 7, nail polish. Your home manicure is cheaper than regularly going to the salon, no question. But if you want to lessen the financial impact of the cost of your nail art this summer, one of the best places you can save is actually on your nail polish itself. You can get some great, long-lasting, vibrant colors from a $5 to $9 bottle of nail polish from your local drugstore instead of shelling out $30 or more for a bottle from luxury brands. Changing your nail colors frequently is much easier on your wallet when you aren't buying expensive brands. However, if you're worried about extending the life of your manicures while being mindful of your budget, many nail artists recommend that you splurge for a good top coat rather than on the nail polish itself. A good top coat will help your less expensive polishes look great and last longer than they would otherwise. Ultimately, what matters most when it comes to your skincare and makeup routines is finding products that do what you need them to at a price that makes sense for your finances. There are some categories where luxury brands may very well be worth that higher price tag to you, but there are also a lot of categories where a drugstore dupe can get you results that are just as good as their more expensive counterparts for a fraction of the cost. If you use the expensive versions of any of the skincare or makeup categories I talked about in this video, maybe consider swinging by your local drugstore the next time you need a replacement to see if you can find a similar product that won't put as much strain on your wallet. Now that I've shared my 7 skincare and makeup items that I think you should always buy at the drugstore, let's take a moment to talk about a great place to learn how to do something new, Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of classes in design, business, technology, and more. Premium membership gives you unlimited access to high-quality classes on essential topics, so you can improve your skills, unlock new opportunities, and do the work you love. Looking to brush up on your lifestyle photography skills so you can deck out those empty walls of yours? Check out Mark-Marie Forsberg's class, Lifestyle Photography, Capturing Inspiring Visual Stories, where she teaches you how to capture stunning stories in a styled yet natural way. Click the link in the description box to join the millions of students already learning on Skillshare today and to take advantage of a special offer just for TFD viewers. The first 500 visitors will get 2 months of unlimited access to over 25,000 classes for free. Act now so you don't miss out and start learning today. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell and tune in here next Friday for another new episode of The Lifestyle Fix. See you next week.